Oh yeah, look, check it out. Subway's so fresh, everywhere great about it. Check it out. You have to eat with it. Subway, drink fresh. Drink fresh. I'm trying to drink mine right now. Kinda hard. With my grills in. They ain't permanent yet. See? They ain't permanent yet. If she get them permanent, she gonna I gotta go to Walmart and gonna get some polydent. And it's gonna stick them right up in there. Ain't gonna be permanent then. Ain't no $2,000. Word, you man. Yeah, word up. Now, so, how you doing, Chris? Oh, come on. Let's drink some mine. If you like I see, What? You can drink it through it. Go in your mouth. I can't do it, man. You can drink it, the girl in your mouth. How you gonna get it permanent? What you got in there, man? I thought you like to eat down self-esteem. No, man. That's gross. I don't want that. You can't have my face. Why do that stuff on your face? That's not good. I'll see. You gotta go like this. Oh, hang on. I told you, man, it's hard. You can't do it. There's something wrong. I got it. I got it. You can't get lost. I can't get lost now. Oh, man, here, I'll help you. like, your fail. I can't do it, man. Hey, yeah, there you go. There you go, see? Hey, in the phrase with the grill. You get the Subway price and then know how to work it so you can get them permanent. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go get my polydent right now.